What to say? This is my. I was on the Filmfare cover even before my first film came out, and वो Filmfare cover वो होता है ना कि उसमें होना चाहिए, Filmfare award मिलना चाहिए, उसका cover होना चाहिए. Filmfare and me have a, as I say, a long-term relationship. और actually मेरा ये मानना है कि this is my best Filmfare cover with a hero. So I'm very happy with this issue. हमारा shoot बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही spontaneous था, just like we like doing it. And thank you Jitesh for always being such a lovely cushy poo in my life.
First, I want to know from Alia because she said it's her best. You've shot with Varun for Filmfare. You've shot with Arjun and you've shot with Siddharth. So why?
I've shot with Varun and Sid. I've shot with Varun and I've shot with Arjun.
And so why is this cover with?
Personally, I believe that this is the best shot that I've gotten. I mean, every cover has a different this thing, but personally, I mean, I'm not going to like every picture of mine, and I like this picture of ours the most. And this shoot, in fact, just the vibe, even the inside pictures, not ones that I feel like we were posing for the camera. And I also feel like that also, credit also goes to the very lovely photographer that we had, Ericos.
Yeah.
ये जो शॉट हमने लिया उन्होंने लिया था, ये हमने शॉट खत्म करके जब हम लोग वापस वैन की तरफ जा रहे थे, शायद जस्ट स्टार्टेड टिकलिंग मी, और फिर ये शॉट उन्होंने ऐसे ही रैंडमली खींच दिया. सो समटाइम्स लुक्स नाइस.
Alia, your take?
I'm very nervous. I'm very excited. I'm enthusiastic. I want to see the audience's reaction. अरे माइक का वॉल्यूम कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा था. लाउड कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा था. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm more excited, and it's good excitement. Like I have butterflies, but I'm always like this during release. So fingers crossed.
So Alia, you've shot for a Filmfare cover with Shahid, your co-star, Arjun, and you mentioned Varun. How about your co-star Fawad Khan from Kapoor and Sons? I mean, are you looking forward to a cover like that one too? How about you, Jitesh? Even your thoughts on this one?
You're asking me how is he?
No. I mean, are you looking forward to a cover with Fawad?
Of course. I think he's very photogenic and he's very good looking, and all the women are crazy about him, and he looks very good in everything that he wears. So why not?
Hello. Alia, I have a
Yes.
question here.
Yeah.
Talking about Fawad, you're going to do a film with him in the future. What do you have to say about the Shiv Sena targeting Fawad? Like Pakistani actors not promoting their films in Maharashtra.
You know, right now we are, this is not the platform, and there's so much conflict happening right now. Me saying anything to add more conflict. So please, let's refrain from asking
At least
any
something,
of
a
that
little
question.
take off.
No, babe, this is not the podium. This is not the podium to talk about that. Right?
Thank you so much.
आलिया आज ही हमने मॉर्निंग में सोशल नेटवर्किंग मीडिया पे आपकी पिक्चर
आपका माइक गर्दन पे है. हाँ.
यू शाहिद एंड मीरा मैडम की हमने पिक्चर देखी, सेल्फी पिक्चर, शानदार सेल्फी पिक्चर देखी.
उसमें विकास सर भी थे.
हाँ, उनकी उंगली.
ये विकास सर का.
वो आप
करेक्ट उंगली उठाओ बेटा.
तो
उनका उंगली हमारे 3 फेस. हाँ, आप पूछिए.
तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा सेल्फी का?
क्या मतलब?
बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सा मोमेंट था मेरे लिए सेल्फी लेना. मुझे बहुत ही सेल्फी मोमेंट था. मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या गुजर रहा था मेरे दिमाग में. मैं बहुत नर्वस थी. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि अभी क्या होने वाला है. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट शायद यू हेल्प मी थ्रू इट.
लेकिन सेल्फी के एंगल में आलिया हमेशा सेल्फीज होती हैं. उनको करेक्ट एंगल चाहिए होता है. लाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अप्रूवल चाहिए होता है उनको लाइट का. और बहुत जद्दोजहद और मेहनत के बाद हमने वो मोमेंट अचीव किया, और उस मोमेंट में हमें शानदार महसूस हुआ.
शानदार सवाल.
Alia and Shahid. So, like you have heard, like Pakistani actors are being banned. Like, they are being banned over here. They are not getting the chance to act. So, what is your take on it?
I've already given the answer. Are you?
No, just
listening?
like if
No, I've
you
given
were
my
in a-
answer.
Not
I
targeting-
definitely have an opinion. I'm not going to deny that I have an opinion.
So just the
But
opinion.
no,
Ma'am,
I
I
don't
don't
feel like
think-
this is the podium to discuss that right
Yeah,
now.
I
And
don't
let's
think it's the
refrain from
podium to
discussing
Like
that.
if you were in that place, that is what I wanted to ask.
Ma'am, I don't think this is the right podium.
That's
to
what
discuss.
she's
This is a
trying to
Filmfare
say.
launch cover.
Shahid, you've been, I've been told you've been to the store before. If you can tell us both, this question is for Shahid and Alia. How do you all, I mean, what is the best techno gadget that, you guys associate yourselves with? I'm sure in this day and age, where everyone's technologically savvy, what do you guys do to keep yourselves technologically up to date?
I just listen to Shahid's great banging music on his great banging headphones. That's it. My source to technology is Shahid Kapoor and his music.